Welcome to week 4 of the Design for Learning Foundation module. This is your advanced organizer for the week. To situate our learning for this week, let's consider where we've been and how this week connects not only to that, but to where we're going. After our introduction to instructional design way back in week 1, we focused on steps 1 to 4 of the 7-step instructional design model. In week 2, we conducted an instructional needs assessment. That's step 1. A detailed instructional analysis. That was step 2. Breaking down the task to be performed or the learning. And then we identified our entry behaviors and learner characteristics. Step 3. In week 3, we identified our learner outcomes. Now, quick quiz. The learner outcomes we developed were based on our knowledge of what? 1 or 2 seconds wait time here. Learner outcomes are based on what we know about learners' needs, and that knowledge came from our instructional needs assessment in step 1. So you see how everything all connects? Next week, as part of step 5, which is planning our instructional strategies, and step 5 has several components, we will be considering how to assess those learner outcomes we established as part of step 4. And that's why this week, before we even delve into step 5, we're going to focus on one topic and one topic alone, and that is assessment. So what is assessment? How's it different from evaluation? What forms of assessment can we use? How do you create an effective rubric? By the end of this module, you will know the difference between assessment and evaluation and have some ideas for many forms of assessment. You're interested in providing online learning, so you might also be curious about the unique assessment tools that are available to us when teaching online, and we'll touch on that as well. We'll also take a more in-depth look at what makes effective rubrics and one or more other tools for assessing learning. I'll also provide you with some excellent additional resources on assessment. I hope you're enthusiastic about delving into this topic of assessment this week. Let's get started.